As accountants, we already know Excel. We use it every day. And we keep expanding our toolbox. We keep learning new functions, new features, new tips and tricks. But what we rarely get is the chance to see how those individual elements fit together, how they become building blocks of complete real-world systems that actually make a difference in our day-to-day work. And so my work and this channel are centered around guiding accountants through building such systems from start to finish. My name is Agnieszka Nyka. I'm a management accountant and an Excel specialist. For over 20 years, I worked in accounting across multiple companies, group structures and complex reporting environments. And I kept seeing the same thing. I kept seeing accountants exporting reports, copying and pasting, rebuilding management accounts every single month from scratch, and doing so many more tedious, repetitive manual processes where most of those tasks were actually automatable, if not fully, then at least partially. Excel is incredibly powerful as an automation layer between accounting software and real accounting work. If you think about it, we actually spend most of our time in Excel, not inside the accounting platform itself. Which means Excel isn't just a place where we tidy up reports. It's where real work actually happens. So it should be an environment that supports that work, that simplifies what we do, that speeds it up, and automates it wherever possible. And that's why, instead of teaching Excel functions in isolation, I build complete working accounting systems, tools, and solutions that automate our work. And I show you how I build them, step by step. My motto is simple. Everything is Excel automatable until proven otherwise. It's just a matter of how. And figuring out that how has become my mission. So I'm here to show fellow accountants what's actually possible, how to replace manual repetition with structure and automation, and to prove that you don't need to be an Excel wizard to build powerful automation yourself. Most examples are built around QuickBooks Online. That's because this is the software that I use on a daily basis. But the techniques are universal and they can be adapted to Sage and other accounting platforms with just minor adjustments. Some of the Excel techniques you'll see here may be disappointingly simple, but they are practical, they work, and they build systems that are easy to understand, to maintain, to control, and to troubleshoot, which I think is very, very important. If you're a management accountant working solo or part of a small team, especially if you're handling multiple companies within group structures, accounting practices, or private equity portfolios where manual work quickly multiplies, and if you want to delegate repetitive work to well-designed Excel systems instead of patching things together manually each month, then you're in the right place. Welcome to Purpose Logic.